Welcome back to Booze on the Rocks. My name is David Edwards, and today we're going to use these to make the Brandy Flip. But first, this. Alright, so let's get into the Brandy Flip. One of the earliest records of the flip comes from the Oxford English Dictionary from 1695, and it was used to describe a mixture of beer, rum, and sugar mixed and heated with a hot poker. Now, the hot iron caused the drink to froth, and this frothing or flipping is what gave the drink its name. The first bar guide to feature a flip and to add eggs to the list of ingredients was Jerry Thomas's 1862 How to Mix Drinks, or the Bon Vivant's Companion. Now, the differences between a flip and an eggnog are pretty small. The eggnog has cream or milk, and a flip doesn't, and that's it. So let's get into making the Brandy Flip. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use my shaking glass, and then we're going to use 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of brandy, and I'm using St. Remy's XO brandy here. And the next thing that I need right here is a simple syrup. Okay, and we're using a 1-to-1 simple syrup, and we're going to use 1 ounce or 30 mils of this simple syrup. And of course, the very next thing that we need is a whole egg. Yes, that's right, a whole egg. Okay. Now, how do we mix this? We're going to mix this in 2 stages. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to do what's known as a dry shake. And a dry shake means there's no ice. And what this will do, this will help break down the proteins in the drink. And you're going to do this for about 10 seconds. Or I'm going to do it in about 10 seconds for a glass that doesn't seem to want to come apart. Okay, and I spilled something there, but that's okay. These things happen, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of milk. Not milk, because we're not doing an eggnog, we're doing a Brandy Flip. Okay. And so I should say we're adding a little bit of ice, okay? And we're gonna shake this for a good 10 to 12 seconds, pretty hard. Okay, and we'll do it as so. Much better. So I'm going to use our Nick and Nora glass, okay, and we're going to strain this using our Hawthorne strainer. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that color. But we're not done yet. We have to garnish this. And what we're going to do is we're going to garnish this with a little bit of nutmeg. And I prefer, you can use nutmeg powder or ground nutmeg if you want, but I prefer to grate my own very own nutmeg. Because that gives me so much better flavors and smells, right? Fresh is always best if you can do that. Let's give it a try. Look at that color, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that's very good. You can taste the brandy. It's nice and sweet. It's balanced very well. The nutmeg just comes right through. It's got a great mouthfeel. It tastes great. Very similar to an eggnog, 2 different things. Just as creamy. And you know what? This is perfect for your wintertime, Christmas time, New Year's drinks. All right? And it would be nice to actually try this heated with some hot iron. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients in the description down below. Please make sure you leave a comment and tell me exactly what ingredients you think I should change. Should I change the type of brandy? Should I use a little bit less sugar, a bigger egg? What do you think I should do? If this is your first time here to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell notification. That way, every time we put up a new video, we will get notified, okay? But if you didn't like this video, you didn't find it entertaining, or at least informative, or have an awesome drink, hit the thumbs down button twice. And we'll see you next time. The intro to the Brandy Flip, take 4.